Hi, welcome to Pillai Center practice. This video is about great news about one planet that brings wealth. I am Lalitha, a Pillai Center teacher and also a Vedic astrologer at AstroVed. And the good news is that this planet not only does everything that you want in life, such as creating beauty around you, beautiful home, a beautiful car. It also is the planet of Shreem Brzee. So if you've been chanting Shreem Brzee and not seeing the results you want, when you connect with Venus, when Venus becomes strong, that is when your practice becomes more effective and you get more miracles. It is that simple. When we pray at the right time, the goddess Lakshmi, if you don't want to see her as a real goddess, but she is, imagine an archetype, an idea that becomes very auspicious and takes away your negativity about money, about who you are and limitations, etc. So imagine positivity, imagine new ideas for beauty and improving your environment, making getting a makeover or get a haircut or something like that. And so Venus will enter Taurus on the 4th of June, and we remain in this sign of wealth and luxury and material comfort until about the 22nd, I think, of June. So for about 20 days, you have the support of Venus for your wealth goals. Chant the Shreem Brzee more. Be more positive about what's possible and about your potential. So be happy and manifest your heart's desire. Thank you for watching and see you soon. You can ask your questions below here on the Facebook page and we'll be happy to answer. See you soon.